special. Today, I'm going to torture this UK Sixpence from 1957. It was a good year for peanuts, so they say. So, this is a torture device called Iron Maiden. Back in the day. I hope you're having a scary night tonight. So, we'll go over to the knee breaker. Punch a hole in it. I brought my little helpers, my rat friends. Come on, come Painful. Let's see the damage. You hurting yet, little Sixpence? Please don't, mister. Okay. Now I'm going to bring out my skin flaker. We're going to take off some of its skin. Please don't. Please, mister. I just want to go home. I've got a lot to do to you yet, boy. Oh, that really hurts. That's the whole idea, little Sixpence. Wait for the next part. It gets a little bit warm for you. What do you mean, mister? Okay. Now. Out comes the fire. Oh, mister, it's too hot. Please don't. Oh, my God. No good crying, boy. Oh, God. Would you like me to... Would you like me to dip in some water? Yeah, can you do it really quick? No. I don't feel very well. You'll be okay. You'd wish you'd never been born, little Sixpence, when I've finished with you. Okay. Now, we want a death tube. And we're going to put you face down in the death tube. And then we'll go over. So Mr. Squash. And he's going to squash you down with a lot of force. Oh, mister, please don't. Right. Now, we're going to use Sandy. She's going to rub your skin off so you're nice and clean. Oh, please don't, mister. Don't forget, lock your doors and windows tonight. Jason is about. I was with him earlier. He's got a lot of work to do this evening. Halloween. Oh, please don't do it anymore, please. Okay then, I'll leave it for a second. So now, we'll go over to the penetrator. Once a year he changes his name from Spike to the penetrator. There he is. This will be a small ring. Please, don't. Don't, it's, please don't. Oh, please. There you go. So now, I will just warm it up again. Time to make you suffer a bit more, little Sixpence. Oh, please, I just want to go home. You ain't going home tonight, my boy. Please stop. Please. This is the best day of the year for me. Not so good for you, just for 6 months. So now, we're going to go down to the reductions. These squash you into something smaller than you're supposed to be. Oh, please, no more. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see more detail, shall we? Let's get a bit more intimate. Aye, aye. I'm feeling a bit peckish. I like a good eye. Yummy. Okay. Now this is going to hurt you a lot more than it's going to hurt me. Please don't. What have I done to you? I don't think you need any more squashing, do you? No, I've had enough. I want to go home. A little bit more paint to come, my little friend. That eyeball was a bit nice, I must admit. Right. Well, this takes it down to the bone. Oh no! Oh. Ouch! Ouch! Oh, please! Now we're going to polish your bones up even more. Going to put some acid on your skin. Oh no, how much more this is going to happen? I like this. It's a shame it only comes once a year. Oh, please, please stop. You've been round me once, why are you doing it again? Because I like to. That's the kind of guy I am. Oh, is that it? Can I go home yet? No. I have to clean the acid off you, so nobody knows where you've been. But you'll look normal, but you'll be a bit different. You're still a sixpence at heart. Cleaned off the claws. There you have it. 1 sixpence. What size do we have? We have a size just over 4. This will fit my other half. She's out at the moment. Okay. It fits this claw absolutely perfect. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing and hitting the like button. Thanks for your comments, even the haters. And I'd like to say, my little friends, I think I'll have to eat the rest of this little eyeball. Say goodbye to my friends. And I'll see you next year. Chubby bye-bye.